Hello, my name is Brandon Davies. I'm a criminal defense lawyer based out of Overland Park, Kansas. In this video, I'm talking about some of the equipment that someone will be placed on as a bond condition when they've been charged with a crime. Specifically, what we're going to talk about is the RBU. RBU is an acronym for Remote Breath Unit. Now, what this is designed to do is, after someone has been charged with a crime, and usually a crime associated with alcohol, and a judge is trying to determine whether they're going to let the person out of jail while their case is pending or keep them in jail. And the judge is evaluating the community concerns of the person going out and getting in more trouble because of alcohol use. They might consider placing a person on this RBU. So if the judge orders that a person get an RBU as a condition to being released on bond, what that person will do is check out themselves out of the jail and be assigned an RBU. That equipment is essentially, it's the size of a big calculator. That person will carry it around at all times, and it will periodically go off randomly. At that time, you have a specific amount of time to retrieve the device and give the device a breath sample. That device, the RBU, will analyze the breath sample, and then it will send a reading to the monitoring agency. Essentially, it's connected with a monitoring agency. If it has a positive result on the RBU, the monitoring agency will be alerted that you took the test and failed, and then you'll be facing a revocation of your bond for alcohol use. Now, RBUs also have an additional technological capability. They have a GPS system inside it that takes a reading exactly pinpointing where the person is at when the signal is sent to them to take the test, and when they respond to the test, it will log where their GPS location is at. This can be important even if a person doesn't have a positive result on the RBU sample, because there may be conditions associated with bond about not being in certain places, like places that furnish alcohol, or bars, or liquor stores, or anything to do with alcohol. If your RBU sends back a GPS location of a known place that serves alcohol, you might be in violation of a bond condition, even if you're not consuming alcohol. So the RBU has some technological capabilities that most people don't understand when they're issued the RBU. RBU is used pretty commonly here in Johnson County when someone is placed on bond for an alcohol offense. If you have an RBU, if you have been charged with a crime, you're trying to work your way through this system, feel free to contact my office for further consultation.